Hello everyone. Today we are learning about renal function test. Glomerular filtration rate normal level 90 to 120 ml per minute, high in kidney failure, low in chronic damage. Blood urea nitrogen normal level 8 to 20 mg per dl, high in dehydration, low in malnutrition and liver damage. Serum creatinine normal level for men 0.6 to 1.5 mg per dl, for women 0.6 to 1.1 mg per dl, in pregnant women 0.22 to 1.0 mg per dl. High in damage to nephron, acute or chronic renal failure, shock, congestive heart failure. Low in advanced liver disease, paralysis. Creatinine clearance normal level. Men 1 to 2 gram per day, women 0.8 to 1.8 gram per day. High in muscular dystrophy, paralysis and hyperthyroidism. Low in glomerulonephritis, congestive heart failure. Blood urea nitrogen to creatinine ratio normal level 10 to 15%. High in dehydration and excess creatinine levels. Low in low protein diet, overhydration. Urea normal level. Adults 10 to 20 mg per dl. Children 5 to 18 mg per dl. Newborns 3 to 12 mg per dl. High in diuresis, chronic renal failure. Low in malnutrition. Cystatin C normal level 0.54 to 1.55 mg per dl. High in tubular necrosis, low in GFR means glomerular filtration rate. Uric acid normal level 250 to 750 mg per 24 hours. High in gout leukemia, low in glomerulonephritis. Serum uric acid normal level for men 3.8 to 8.5 mg per dl, for females 2.3 to 6.6 mg per dl. High in gout, shock, leukemia, low in multiple myeloma. Serum osmolarity normal level 285 to 298 m osmolar per kg. High in diabetes, hyperkalemia, low in hypernatremia and liver failure. Thank you.